I wanna show you how to animate objects to any surface in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already added my logo to my timeline, and I want to animate it so that it appears to attach to the surface of this cube. First of all, you need to select the object of your clip and go to the FX control panel. Adjust the scale in the way that the object fits properly onto the surface. Following, go to the effects and write corner pin. Drag and apply it to your object clip. In the FX control, enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch icon next to both upper left and lower right corner pin settings. Then move the playhead to the end of the video, then click on the corner pin effect, and moving the angles, start to attach your object to the surface. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.